For some reason, businesses out there simply overlook the LinkedIn as a social media profile. What everybody are aware whenever they start some business, everybody are creating Facebook page, Instagram profile, but maybe they even create their business profile on LinkedIn, but just, never bother about it. Like all focus goes on Facebook and Instagram, mostly TikTok, depends of your niche. But still, there is a reason why you want to put some of your attention on LinkedIn profile of your business, and I'll explain why in this video, and hopefully it will bring you some clarity. Just in case you're new to the channel, let me welcome you. My name is Bojan. All we'll talk about here is how to get set up to sell online. If you found me already, welcome back. So this will be a short video just to give you a perspective why you want to put your attention on a different social media platforms, even though maybe most of your traffic, most of your sales, most of the noise that you are making is actually on specific platform. For some businesses, it's like only TikTok or maybe only Instagram. But today, you never know how people are buying. Like people are having so different angles of approach. Like they have so many opportunities. Like it's crazy today, like they want to check your Trustpilot reviews, and if you don't have those reviews, maybe they don't even want to trust you because some other business have it, and they believe that the Trustpilot is something most reliable, something that they can rely on when they're choosing who to do business with. Maybe it's a Google My Business. If you are some physical store and they don't find you on Google Maps, that they will ask themselves, hey, is this business even legit? Why they don't have their business in Google Maps? Why can't I go there and check the reviews? Something is fishy around here. Let me just go work with someone else. Unfortunately, that's how it is, and we want to be aware of all these potential paths that people are coming towards us, and just to make them look nice, make them look believable, if nothing. So in this specific video, we are talking about LinkedIn, and just as you are using your preferred social media channel, for me it's Instagram. I just when I take the phone and I want to just dive into some social media, to spend some time, I go on Instagram. My wife, she's all about Facebook. She do have an Instagram, but she never goes there. For some other people, it's something different. Maybe it's TikTok. I don't ever open in TikTok, unless I want to check something specifically. But for some people out there, it's LinkedIn. They have all those social media icons on their phone, but they always go for LinkedIn because that's their preferred social media platform. And if that's their social media platform, and if they land on your website from whatever traffic channel, and they're scrolling around, and then they see those couple of links for social media, how everybody's doing it today, some small links you click on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, whatever you have out there, they are choosing to click on LinkedIn, because that's how they want to see a little bit more. Maybe your website is like one pager, very simple, but for me, I will probably go on LinkedIn and check if you have some recent content. That for me, that will be more or less enough to understand that this is some real business, that some things are really going on, because they are posting like weekly, maybe 1-2 posts. Okay, so these guys, they're present, they're alive. Their posts are not like simple images made in Canva with like some AI magic. Like they're just filming what's going on in a business, filming real people, filming real stories before and after maybe, and that's something that gives me confidence to get in contact with this specific business. But again, for some other people, it will be LinkedIn. So they click on LinkedIn. What are they going to see there? Is this link even legit? Is this link properly adjusted on your website? Is it taking me to the LinkedIn company page, company account on LinkedIn? What is described there? Is the link to your website, is it matching to your real website, or maybe you forgot to update it, just like one of my clients recently did. In this preparation for Q4, I was just checking their digital assets, even though that was not a part of the deal. I'm just helping them with advertising, but again, I just wanted to check what's going on, and I actually noticed that they have a very old, outdated link on their LinkedIn channel, at the LinkedIn company account. Say, hey, what's going on, man? Like, you need to change this, and they change it immediately, of course. But again, I'm just saying, like, just put some attention there, do some description. I will not, this is not a how-to channel. I don't create how-to videos, It's more than simple. If you don't have anybody to delegate this task to, then do it yourself. Go to, ChatGPT, say, hey, I want to update my LinkedIn company account, give me, so this is my business, this is a link to my website, this link to my social media, this link to my competitors, I want to be different, this is how we are different. Just put enough data in this machine, and you will get some better prompt. Just be very specific what you want to achieve, how you want it to look like, and again, put a nice banner on top of your LinkedIn company account. Give some simple explanation. You don't want to put some essay there. Like, don't be too long. Be concise, very precise. What is your business about? How you help solving problems? Why you're different? Some things like that. Just again, leverage this AI. Let him help you out with this content specifically, but some other things like links, phone number, opening hours, your business address, your office address, some things like that's you have to do it manually. All this data. Again, one thing that I like to see when I'm checking some business on LinkedIn, for example, I want to go in this section called people. Once I click on a people, I can see how many people are actually in this business. So imagine if you have like 10, 20, 50, 100, hundreds employees, are they all registered? Did they all set their personal LinkedIn profile? Did they register that they are actually employed in your business? That actually gives you more believability when these individuals that prefer LinkedIn, when they visit your LinkedIn company profile. For TikTokers, they don't care about your LinkedIn profile. Most of the people actually that visit your website, most likely they're not LinkedIn people, because LinkedIn is very specific. I want to say that most of the people actually, when they go to social media, they want to have fun, spend time on like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. But still, some people they just they go directly to LinkedIn, whether they just spending some time having fun, or maybe they want to get in contact with other business people and just do something about their business, about their career and everything. They're just used to use LinkedIn. That's all. If that's the profile that they like, if that's the social media that they like, give them opportunity, make yourself believable on that platform, and you don't need to do any kind of magic. Just update all the information, tell your employees to register that they are actually employed in your business, and that's more or less it. Occasionally, once a week, once a month, if nothing, like post some update what's going on in business. That's all you need to do. That's what makes your business LinkedIn profile believable, and it will give a reason for someone actually to get in contact with you, to give you business instead of someone else. Again, hope this video makes sense. I hope that you will put some time and effort to fix this, or maybe delegate it to someone in your business. Just make yourself believable, make yourself present in this social media profile that actually is very specific, but whoever is using it, if they trust that platform, it will be easier for them to trust you and your business and to come do business with you. Check out some other videos on my channel. They're all dedicated to you business owners out there who want to thrive in this crazy digital world that is evolving like never faster as it is today, with this AI and everything. It can be really confusing, but at the end of the day, it's pretty simple. When this AI showed up, people were a bit confused. Things were, happening kind of too fast. People were talking about, becoming a millionaire through this AI automation, this and that. Now we see after two years already, 3 years maybe, now we see it's not like that. It's not that simple. It is still about the people behind that business, So nothing to be worried about still, and just leverage those platforms for your own benefit, like in this example that I said. Check out some other videos on my channel. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.